Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to learn how to backup Evernote. So let's start. So in order to backup Evernote, there are two options. Either you can backup your whole account, which will backup your all the notes and the media that is available on your app, or you can backup a several single note which you want to do. I'm going to tell you both of them. So let's start. So first, launch your Evernote app. Then here you can see your notes which are available. Now this is simple. The first step is very simple. If you want to backup your account, you simply just need to log in with your Gmail or your Apple Mail. So what this makes is that the data is now saved in the Evernote's backup store in the data servers, and once you sign out, nothing will happen. Your data will be there in the data servers because you created a Gmail for that specific Evernote. Now next time if this app gets deleted or your phone memory gets wiped, you just need to download the Evernote and log in by your Gmail or mail. Second thing, how you can backup a note is that you have to click on these three lines which are located at the left bottom corner. Now you can see your notes. Click on the notes. After seeing that, pick ever you note which you want to backup. Click on that. Now on the top right corner here you can see three options. Okay, three dots. Click on that. Now there is option like share note available offline. After clicking on available offline, it will ask you for premium upgrade, but if you don't want to buy the premium upgrade, you can simply just click on the print note or copy internal link. Okay, this will help you get and share the link to anyone whom do you want to. Now this is how you move a note or duplicate a note. I can duplicate a note because if I want to, I can save it in my Google Notes if possible. This is how you backup an Evernote. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. I will see you in the next